Hi, my name is Harry Lightfoot from Berthon, and today we are looking around this 2018 Boreal 47.
These Boreal 47s are fast becoming a well-known amongst the sailing community as a go-anywhere, high-quality aluminium yacht. And this, rare to the brokerage market, 2018 is as new throughout. And as we just have a look at the stern of the yacht, you can see plenty of storage aft here. Having a look at this aluminium top, that also swings out to have access for your dinghy. She has a hydro generator and wind pilot. As we just step on board, we look into that centre cockpit. You have your one big large wheel. She says she's got a wind generator, outboard bracket, 2 solar panels on the aluminium arch. Looking back at the deck, you've got your 4 main primary winches. Majority of your lines lead into the cockpit, as well as access at the mast. As we make our way forward, you've got a good grab rail, running backstays as well. So this Boreal has a sort of semi-solent rig set up, so you've got your forward larger genoa, and then your self-tacking jib. A very clever system that Boreal have is this really nice large sail locker that can really store absolutely anything that's needed. Really safe and dry as well. Again, you can have a look at that aluminium hull. So overall this boat is in fantastic condition. And as we just look back at the deck, you can see there's lines for self-tacking jib. You've got your whisker pole for running downwind, and that's carbon, so that's really nice and light. Access to most of the lines can be done at the mast. Another clever system is your anchor windlass is at the centre, therefore reducing the weight, with the chain that runs down into the aft head. As we just make our way back forward, you can see the hard doghouse, again famous with the Boreals. This offers really fantastic protection while at sea and also visibility. She does have the binomy that will cover the cockpit. As we just make our way into the cockpit, you have your main controls at the helm. Just looking forward again over the doghouse. Got your main sheet line that runs in. So again, sitting in this space right here, you would feel really safe while at sea. Cockpit table that swings up, really nice seating for up to 6 people. And as we just step into that doghouse, you've got your main controls. She has a ship's laptop with all your charts. You've got the NKE autopilot, so you also got the wind pilot as well. These yachts are meant for if you're out in the middle of the ocean, nothing to go wrong. Again, that visibility. She has an opening hatch, got blinds on those windows. You've got the engine controls just under the seating, as well as storage. And as we just swing round into the main saloon, you have your raised saloon seating. Panning round into the galley, 3-burner gas cooker, twin sinks, plenty of storage. As we make our way forward into the master cabin, you've got your spring mattress, double berth, fans in each cabin as well. Again, really clever storage. Looking into the aft head, this is where the anchor chain falls in, and also the shower that will come out of the tap. Anchor chain falls into there. Which has the pressured central water heating, so we have radiator in each cabin. Just looking, you've got your hanging storage, extra cupboard storage, blinds on the windows. LED lighting throughout this boat. So we just look at the pressurised central heating. It runs off the radiator, again famous with these Boreals. Stepping back into the kitchen, got stainless steel handrails. Looking at that raised saloon seating. The table drops down to form another sea berth. This is the 3-cabin layout with bunks in each cabin. Again, you have a fan, 2 twins, as well as good access to your engine and all your systems, inverter, your Watt and C hydro generator. The engine, as she is only a 2018 and not being used, the engine hours are minimal. Again, good clever hanging storage just on the starboard side as you enter. With that raised saloon, you do get visibility while sitting. So if you are in harbour or port, you can be able to look out. Looking at, you've got your batteries, access to the tanks, including a viewing platform. Everything has been thought about in these yachts. Looking into the day head, again you have your shower, manual heads, and the second cabin. At the aft of this cabin you have access to the water maker as well. Again, really good, clever storage. Each cabin has your radiator. And as we just swing back round looking at that saloon, really nice raised saloon area. And here we have the hull of the Boreal 47. These boats are very clever, they can be beached. So the swing keel comes up and she will rest on that centre plate. Many of these boats you will see pictures on YouTube or on the internet on them in exotic locations, giving you access to smaller anchorages where others can't get to. The twin rudders, these can also be lifted so to give you better seaway, therefore to reduce your drag. So these boats are well known these days. You have a long waiting list for new build, and with that aluminium hull, it really gives you access to many worldwide locations. Boreal 47